Here, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually look up a user on Migo Live. Okay, just in case you've never heard of Migo Live, Migo Live is one of the earning apps. And unlike these other apps where you get stuck if you don't have anybody to share the gifts with, Migo Live provides a condition whereby you can actually send yourself the gifts. That makes it actually unique. If, let's say, you've been playing games, you win something, you don't need to stress yourself trying to find a person to exchange gifts with. You simply go and gift yourself. Then you withdraw. If you happen to make some money which comes in form of diamonds, you reach the threshold. What you do is you withdraw the money. If you withdraw today at month end, be it at any point of the month, you will still receive the money next month. So it's more like you're working for a salary. Okay, and mostly if you happen to receive some gifts and the like on Monday, that's when you happen to have an upgrade and you receive your due. Then you receive whatever you happen to withdraw at any point within the month, the other month, between the 5th and the 7th of that other month. So that's how it is. That's just a debrief about Migo. So now let's do the business that we are here for, showing you how you can find a user on Migo Live. So let's go to Migo Live. Where are you, Migo? Oh, so here it is. So you click the, oh, come on. Okay, so the moment you are in, what you will see is actually this part where you see the people are live. The people are live. It's only that it's loading. It's loading. There must be pics here. Okay, regardless of the profile is not loading, what you do is you click in the top left corner. I hope you're able to see that hand lines like icon. Click there, and then you simply tap and hold. That is in the top section there. Then if you've copied the ID from somewhere, you simply click and hold and then paste. Let me remove what's at the beginning here, and then you click search. So you see it has actually brought me the owner of the ID. I click now there and it opens the profile. So now I will simply need to follow this person. Okay, beautiful. Then I can actually chat them up. I can send them a message, say here we go, here we go. Then I say tap on my profile, then click follow. That's how we find a user on Migo Live. As simple as that.